got the bulldog. Hopefully I don't kill him. What do you reckon, bro?
I don't want to die today.
We got this old baby from 2000. Gotta rip it down the waterfall. But if you want to get out,
Let's fucking rip that thing.
Rip that thing. But don't pull it till, like, time always goes so much slower underwater. Slower underwater.
So 10 seconds.
So I might just be like
fucking 10 minutes.
Yeah, that is possible.
Okay,
and then if you just hug, then I'll get up. Basically, if you're like stressed out.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, if you're like stressed out and you don't lean forward, we're not getting up.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
Lean forward.
Yeah. Just so you have a low center of gravity.
Okay.
That's
so
all.
like
Yeah, just touch your toes, bro, if you can do that. Hopefully I can roll, dude.
I almost broke my back. Jesus, bro.
Oh, dude, yeah, that was like a lot heavier already than the small kids this morning. They're definitely way more than 40 kilos. Basically, just ditch your paddle, like here. Just throw it down and then lean forward as far as you can, and I'll see if I can get up. Alright, easy money.
Struggling?
Nah, I wasn't struggling. Like, control everything when I'm paddling, is I just lean, basically I guess like biking, eh?
Oh, yeah.
You can feel that, and you just let me do that.
Sure.
And you can paddle.
Yep.
And that gives me like the speed to like drive on the edges so I actually turn, so I'm just not sitting. Paddle us in.
Hey?
Paddle us in. Nice. Yeah, nice. We're good. This is our first waterfall.
Oh my god, bro.
Yeah, it's not bad, eh? Yeah, just forward paddle. Yeah, it's not really the taste. I swear it's a lot better feeling when you're on your own kayak and you're dry the whole time and skipping.
Yeah,
Just full steam ahead, paddle, and when I say stop, just get ready to brace.
okay.
Nice. Yeah, boy. Now keep paddling. Yeah, stop. We missed the wall. Oh, we survived. Yes. Are you all good? How was that on your back?
Bro, I was like 3 toes like this.
Yeah, sorry. I messed that up, dude. I was meant to like come out dry.
Holy shit, bro. Wow.
Oh, when people see that line, they're gonna give me shit. We still didn't roll though. I've never rolled on the waterfall in a tandem. We can paddle pretty far up. It's just coming up on the left. Yeah. It's like 27 meters. It's just a ramp. Yeah, I paddle that all the time. It's just fun. It's not super gnarly. Nice. Sick. That's like the run.
That's the run.
We've got to make sure we get out there. Bro.
Man, bro. That was sick.
You save me and I'll save you.